Refrigerator pickled beets are so quick and easy to make. Enjoy them in salads or as a side dish. Ingredients: 4 medium roasted beets, about 1 pound, 1 cup cider vinegar, 1 cup water, 1/3 of a cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon dry ground mustard, 5 whole black peppercorns. Instructions: preheat oven to 400 degrees. Wash the beets and remove the greens. Wrap the beets in aluminum foil. Place on a baking sheet on the middle rack of the oven. Bake for 1 hour or until tender. Cool in foil. Unwrap the beets and peel the skin off with your fingers. Cut the beets into chunks or slices as you prefer. Bring the vinegar, water, sugar, salt, and mustard to a boil in a medium saucepan, stirring until sugar is dissolved. Simmer for 2 minutes. Remove from heat and allow to cool for 10 minutes. Add peppercorns and beets to a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Pour the brine in, covering all the beets. Cover and set aside for 30 minutes to an hour, then transfer to the refrigerator. The beets will stay good in the refrigerator for at least 6 weeks, but they may not last that long. Please like this video and comment below. Thanks for watching.